Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can get your Trello API token step by step. So let's jump into it. First, open your browser and search for Trello API keys from the search results. Click on the official Trello link that says API Introduction. On that page, scroll down until you find the section titled Managing Your API Keys and click on the link provided there to proceed. This will take you to the page where you can create a new API key for your integration. Now, click on the New button to start creating your API access. You'll be shown a form where you'll need to fill in details like the name of your power-up or integration, choose your workspace, add your website URL, enter your email, a support contact email, and the author's name. Once everything is filled out, scroll to the bottom and hit Create. Now, on the left side of the screen, click on the API key option. You'll see a button that says, Generate a new API key, click on that. Once your key is generated, you'll also see an option to get your token. Just tap on Token, and your Trello API token will be created instantly, and that's it. You're now all set with your API key and token.